Measure. To find the size, length, or amount of something. Example: she measured the table before buying a new one. Example: the tailor measured my waist for a new dress. Invite. To ask someone to come to an event. Example: I invited my friends to my birthday party. Example: they invited us to their wedding. Advice. A suggestion or recommendation. Example: my father gave me good advice about saving money. Example: the doctor's advice was to drink more water. Memorize. To learn something so you remember it. Example: I memorized all the English words for the test. Example: he memorized his speech before the presentation. Examine. To look at something carefully. Example: the doctor examined the patient's eye. Example: the police examined the crime scene. Enhance. To improve or make better. Example: this app enhances the quality of photos. Example: regular exercise enhances your health. Participate. To take part in something. Example: she participated in the dance competition. Example: we participated in the school event. Discuss. To talk about something. Example: we discussed the project in the meeting. Example: let's discuss our holiday plans. Order. To request something or give instructions. Example: I ordered a pizza for dinner. Example: the officer ordered the soldiers to move forward. Heal. To recover or make better. Example: time heals all wounds. Example: the medicine helped heal his injury.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.